2, I was staring into space. She was not yet late, according to the clock. I was feeling nervous, so I kept looking up at the clock sticking down at the side of the building, and it still said 4:02.
Hey, Laura, is that you?
Hi! You must be Bill.
Well, you're as beautiful as Betty said you'd be.
Thanks. You're, nice to meet you.
Well, it was sure nice of her to hook us up after the whole nervous breakdown.
Oh yeah, I heard about that. I got a lovely bunch of coconuts, diddly-dee.
Listen, I know what you're thinking, and you're looking at me and you're saying to yourself, an average guy, normal human being, nothing out of the ordinary.
Well, no, I mean,
Listen, that's what I thought too for lots of years, and boy, was I wrong. Now that I look back, I guess I always knew the truth about myself, underneath. It's like sometimes I look in the mirror in the morning, and I get this weird feeling, like what I was looking at was not really what I was looking at, you know?
what were you looking at?
Or else I'd be standing in a crowd of people at a party, and suddenly I'd get this idea, like I was in a huge empty space with no one around me for miles. Episodes of Fastation, if you do know that beautiful word.
Yeah, like you're all alone.
Yeah, and then one day I had I don't know what you call it, a mystical experience. You see, I was walking down Lex over in the 30s when I go by this office supply shop. It's a crummy little place. But I turn and look, and I see an Olivetti Model 250 portable electric typewriter. Are you familiar with that particular model? Have you seen the old Olivetti 250? Well, let me tell you something. It is sublime. The lines, the shape, the slant of the keyboard, it's all there. It's a thing of beauty. Forget it.
No, what were you saying?
Okay, well, I'm sitting there looking at this thing, and it's like I'd recognize it from someplace. It's like I'm looking at family somehow. Like I'm seeing some long-lost older brother for the first time. And suddenly I realized, that's me, right there. That thing in the window is exactly what I feel like on the inside. Same lines, same shape, same aesthetic. And what I realized was, I am a typewriter.
Wait, you're the typewriter?
Yeah, the typewriter. All those years I thought I was just some human being. On the inside, I was really a portable Olivetti 250 with automatic correctability. And you know what? I can't even type.
That must have come as a shock.
Especially, to my love life, which was problematic to say the least, but difficulties involved in a typewriter, finding a suitable partner in this town are fairly, what's the word I'm looking for?
Prodigious?
Prodigious, as you can imagine. At least now I know how come I always loved touch. Being touched and touching. Being touched is part of the nature and the purpose of a typewriter. It's how we express ourselves with the human being along with us. You've got a pretty nice pair of hands yourself there. That's what I noticed when I walked in. I know this all sounds pretty loony, but I've never told anybody this before. Somehow, I feel like I could just trust you and you know what Wow. I'm really sorry. Thanks a lot for meeting me.
Wait. I'm not really a girl.
What? I beg your pardon?
Not really a girl.
You're not really a girl. Well, sure you're a girl. I mean, you're a beautiful girl.
I'm a sheet of